Hi, Nancy from So Original. Still adding the embroidered panel to the kimono, part 2. I still don't have makeup on except for lipstick, but there is a difference about me, and if you can spot that difference, maybe I'll send you a free gift. Don't zoom in, I have no makeup on. Okay, so here's what I'm doing. I am folding this very, very closely. I'm pinning with silk pins. I always use a silk organza press cloth. If you do not have one, invest in one. Buy yourself a yard of silk organza. If it costs you $30, cut it into 4 pieces and you've got the best press cloth in the world. So I'm just gonna press kind of in between the pins. I obviously don't want to melt the pin head, and I also don't want to leave a huge impression of the pinholes. So I'm just kind of gently doing a little bit of pressing. I have one of those teeny tiny Cricut irons. That would be really nice for this as well. And as you can see, I made a clip and I folded this corner in. It's not perfect yet. I will make sure that that is folded in perfect. And I'm just gonna top stitch super, super, super careful. But now I already folded the shoulder seam down. I drew a line and I have that down. So basically it will look just like this. And then I have to make this underarm part, and then I want it to go around a little bit to the back, so I will continue pressing and folding like this. So that's it for now. Thanks, guys. Tell me what you see different, and I'll send you a present. I don't know what yet, but something fun. Bye.